China's judiciary rarely delivers a surprise verdict, but this was unexpected. And so, in a way, was this. Pu Zhiqiang apologizing for the comments that landed him in court. He's now effectively a free man and had been facing up to 8 years in jail after being found guilty of provoking trouble and inciting ethnic hatred, charges he denied. It was his posts on social media that got him into trouble. They poked fun at China's communist leaders and criticized government policies in the troubled regions of Tibet and Xinjiang. Just as there was when his trial opened a week ago, journalists and diplomats were manhandled outside the courthouse. Supporters risked arrest by just being there. China's state-controlled media didn't report the opening of Pu's trial, but its TV networks were the first to report the verdict, with the emphasis on the sentence rather than the reprieve. Among Pu's supporters, who include the avant-garde artist Ai Weiwei, there were mixed feelings. They welcomed his release, but argue it was an injustice to hold him in detention for 20 months.
We, of course, do not recognize this. Even though he's been given a suspended sentence, from the legal perspective, he has been criminally punished. So in the future, he can't be a lawyer.
So the fact that he's been found guilty but given a suspended sentence is kind of a good, slightly positive given the context. But it's important to indicate he should never have been detained. He committed no crime. The evidence they had against him was very flimsy.
The guilty verdict disqualifies Pu from practicing law, and the strict conditions of his release mean he could be returned to jail if he provokes the authorities again. Adrian, Al Jazeera, Beijing.